Hi, this is Rajesh. Today we will see remaining problems in exercise 5.1. See, second problem. In this second problem, we have some situations. We have to clarify those situations in the form of quadratic equations. See, second problem. Represent the following situations in the form of quadratic equation. In the first situation, the area of a rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot is one more than twice of its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. See here, in this problem, they gave area of a rectangular plot 520 meters square. Length of a rectangle is one more than twice of its breadth. Then we need to find length and breadth of a rectangle. See, we need to take figure for that one. At that time, you can easily understand problem very well. See, if it is a rectangle, area of this rectangle is 528 meters square. Whatever we are considering breadth, length will be one more than twice of its breadth. Suppose if you consider that is x, then length will be 2x plus 1 according to the problem. We will write steps by seeing this figure. Area of rectangular plot. Area of rectangular plot is equal to 528 meters square. Let x be the breadth of a rectangle. Breadth of a rectangle. So, length of a rectangle will be length of a rectangle. L is equal to 2x plus 1 according to the problem. Why I have considered 2x plus 1? In the problem they mentioned length of a rectangle is one more than twice of its breadth. If I assume x be the breadth of a rectangle, then length of a rectangle will be 2x plus 1 according to the problem. Now L into B is equal to 528 meters square. L is nothing but 2x plus 1 into breadth is nothing but x is equal to 528 meters square. X into 2x plus 1, you will get 2x square plus x is equal to 528 meters square. After that, 2x square plus x minus 528 is equal to 0. It is in the form of quadratic equation. Am I correct or not? It is in the form of quadratic equation. After that, we need to find length and breadth of a rectangle. What we have to do? We need to simplify this one. But in this problem, write given situations in the form of quadratic equations. So we have completed this one. Check once. After that, another one. Next one. See, the product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find the integers. See, represent the following situation in the form of quadratic equation. In that second one is the product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find the integers. See here. Let x and x plus 1 be the two positive integers. Why I have to assume like this? positive integers. Means if you assume x is equal to 1, x plus 1 will be 1 plus 1, 2. So 1, 2 are consecutive numbers. These are also positive numbers. Or else if you assume x is equal to 5, x plus 1 will be 6. 5, 6 are consecutive numbers, isn't it? So that only whenever we are going to assume two positive integers means, consecutive positive integers means you need to assume x, x plus 1. 3 means x, x plus 1, x plus 2. 4 means x, x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3. Like that we need to assume. In this problem, I assume x and x plus 1 be the two positive integers. At that time, in this problem, product of these two consecutive integers is 306. So here, product of two consecutive integers is equal to, what is the value? 306 is equal to 306. Now x into x plus 1 is equal to 306. X into x, x square plus x into 1, x is equal to 306. You need to get into left hand side. Now x square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Check once. Okay, next one, another problem, another situation we are going to write in the form of quadratic equation. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages after 3 years will be 360 years. We need to find Rohan's present age. See in this, Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. After 3 years, their ages would be x plus 3. Like that we will take. See in this problem, Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages after 3 years will be 360 years. See here, first we need to assume, let x be the present age of Rohan. After that, Rohan's present age of Rohan's mother is equal to present age of Rohan's mother is equal to x plus 26, because 26 years more than Rohan. So x plus 26 according to the problem. Now after 3 years their ages would be, after 3 years their ages would be x plus 3 comma x plus 26 plus 3. So here we can write x plus 29. So in this, product of their ages after 3 years is equal to 360. So here Rohan's age will be x plus 3. Her mother's age will be x plus 26 plus 3. So here we'll get x plus 29 is equal to 360. Now x into x, x square, or else x into x plus 29 plus 3 into x plus 29 is equal to 360. So here x square plus 29x plus 3x plus 29 into 3. 3 9s are 27, 3 2s are 6, 8. 87 is equal to 360. Now here x square plus 32x plus 87, we need to get into left hand side, minus 360 is equal to 0. So here x square plus 32x, 360 minus 87, 3, 5, 15, 15 minus 8, 7, 2, 7 minus 273 is equal to 0. 360, 3, 5. Okay, check this one once. Check this one. Yes, we got quadratic equation with the given situation. Okay, I will take one more situation in the problem. Okay, fourth situation in the second problem, that is, a train travels a distance of 480 kilometers at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 kilometers per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. See here, the distance covered by a train is 480 kilometers. 480 kilometers. Suppose if the train has taken 8 kilometers per hour less, speed of the train is less, then the time taken to reach same distance, that is 480 kilometers, it will take 3 more hours, isn't it? At that time, we need to simplify quadratic equation and we need to find speed also in this one. See here, first we need to write. We need to assume, first thing, speed we need to assume, because we need to write quadratic equation in the form of speed only, no? So let x be the speed, let x be the speed of a train, speed of a train. Next, distance covered by a, distance covered by a train, with uniform speed is equal to 480 kilometers. 480 kilometers. 480 kilometers. Time taken to reach. Time taken to reach 480 kilometers. T1 is equal to 480 by x. Why I have to write this one? Because time is equal to distance by speed. We have distance by speed. So that only time is equal to distance by speed. We know by using this condition, here I am writing time taken to reach 480 kilometers. T1 is equal to 480 by x. After that, next one, taken to reach 480 kilometers when 8 kilometers per hour is less. At that time, T2 is equal to 480 by x minus 8. This is the time, the distance covered by a train, 480 kilometers, when 8 kilometers per hour is less. At that time T2 is equal to 480 by x minus 8. But when a train takes 8 kilometers per hour less, it has taken 3 more hours to reach the 480 kilometers. Therefore, according to the problem, we can write the equation as 480 by x minus 8 minus 480 by x is equal to 3. It means in this problem T2 is equal to T1 plus 3 according to the condition. So here T2 minus T1 is equal to 3. T2 is nothing but, we need to write this one, 480 by x minus 8 minus T1. T1 means 480 by x is equal to 3. See here, we need to simplify this condition. At that time, we need to take LCM, x into x minus 8. So here we will get 480x minus 480 into x minus 8 is equal to 3. Now, if you take 480 is common, 480 into x minus 8 divided by x into x minus 8 is equal to 3. See here, I will rub this one because board is not sufficient, so I will do. So final step we got, that is 480 by x minus 8 minus 480 by x is equal to 3. T2 minus T1 is equal to 3. Actually T2 is equal to T1 plus 3. 3 more hours it will take. So that only T2 minus T1 is equal to 3. Take LCM, x into x minus 8. Now 480 into x minus 480 into x minus 8 is equal to 3. From these two things, if you take 480 is common, x minus 8 is equal to 3 divided by x into x minus 8 is equal to 3. So here 480 into x minus x plus 8 minus into x minus into minus plus 8 minus x plus x minus x gets cancelled is equal to 3. But here we need to write divided by x into x minus 8. Now we will get 480 into 8 divided by x into x minus 8 is equal to 3, no? Do cross multiplication. At that time, by 3 is equal to x into x minus 8 we will get. Now cancel. 3 ones are 348 means 160. Okay. See here, x into x minus 8 is equal to 160 into 8. So x into x square minus 8x is equal to 16 8 are 128. 0 is there, no? Keep 0. Now x square minus 8x minus 1280 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation where x is the speed of a train. Okay, thank you.